Okay, so I kind of ordered the things that I got in the package. I don't know if they are all. Oh, I mean, there are a lot of components here. I have like 3 big capacitor, which are these here, are coming on this side of the board. After that, some small capacitors. These are around here. Now, the important thing that I notice, and it's like a good thing. These are tip 3055, which it can be like 2N2055, which is a common component. So if this screws up, I can easily replace that. The command transistor for this transistor are T41. So from my knowledge, this will be BD500 series, some kind of transistor equivalent. After that, I have like 2 voltage stabilizer, linear stabilize 2-volt linear voltage stabilizer. Okay, so 2 linear voltage, 5 volts and 12 volts. I have this diode, which 1N55408, which I don't know what it is. I have a bunch of other diodes. Now, this one, for example, it's 1N4007. This is not a problem, but this one, it has an engraving on it, and I'm sure I'm gonna find it on the board, but I have like the smallest one of all. I don't know what this does. So this doesn't really have any kind of engravement. I'll have to look on the seller photo and see kind of like where it goes on the board. Now we have screws for the transistors and the stabilizer, and we only have 3 heatsinks. That means one of these stays out. I don't know which one of them yet, but the other one will take a lot of current. I suppose more than 1 amp. Speaking about the stabilizers. Now I have in the same package, we have these pots, which I don't know, but I think they are all 10 kilos. $100 sorry. No, they are not. On the board show yes, some of them, they are one at least, it's 10 kilo, and 2 of them I see it here, they are 100 kilos. So I don't know what does each one of them, so I need to look at that. I have some nice connectors here, obviously the potentiometer with the actuators. I have these, I don't know the color coded, but I think these are 1 watt and probably these are 2 watts. The smaller resistance, the ballast one, that will be, I think it will go like in the series with the transistors. The relays, which is a general purpose relay, and the board, some screws. Now the good thing, and this LM368P, which are 2 of them. I don't know what it does on the board, some kind of comparator, I think. And I sincerely don't know, and the thing that I'm kind of like worried about is what this crap does. Now I'm sure one of them it's the maximum current or minimum current or something like that. The other one is the maximum voltage, but these three I don't know. Probably two of them it will be on the relay when to set the voltage that the relay just changes to the other coil of the transformer. I mean, at least two of them will do that, but the third one I really don't know. I have an LED which I don't know what it does again, and I don't really know where it comes on the board. I don't know if it's this one. It's probably the typical on LED. I mean, it's just on there to see I have voltage on the board. So now because I have this figured out, I'm gonna start and solder some of the resistance. Now I can easily measure this resistance. I don't think they are all the same. I'm seeing like a bunch of 10 kilo ohms resistors, but I'm seeing one of 100 ohms, one of 100 kilo ohms. The majority of them they are 10 kilo, but there are other values as well. Okay, 681 watt. I think this is 1 watt. This is one of the. This I think this has the two of 1 watt, and these are the other two of 2 watts. I think. And it's kind of like pretty simple components, but there are a lot of them. So I'm just going to start soldering this and see where it goes. I mean, obviously I'm not going to the schematics. I'm just going to put it and see where it goes.